guys, we are going to do the Substitution series, episode number 3 here. And we're going to talk about Stickles and Nuvo Drops and liquid pearls. Now, I don't have any Stickles because I don't typically use them. However, I was able to make Stickles. Which I gotta shake it up. That's the only thing about it. You gotta stir it up. With the Elmer's clear glue and some glitter. Let me shake it up. Here, stir it up pretty good. Because it does settle at the bottom. When you do this. But I'll show you here in just a second. As soon as I get that stirred up pretty good. Alright. But it looks like this. Now, Elmer's might make a glitter glue that is clear. I don't know if they do or not. If you have glitter glue, it is the same thing as Stickles because they're not dimensional. But I wanted just something simple like that. There it is. I don't know if you can see the sparkle at the top. Just to give a little bit of sparkle to certain things that I might want to work on. Without having to go purchase it. You can do the same thing with white glue. If you mix water with your white glue and add your glitter, then you have glitter Mod Podge. So it would be 2 parts glue, 1 part water, and your glitter, and then you have homemade Mod Podge. And the glitter doesn't come off, it stays on once you do it. Okay, now, if you don't have any of these, this here is just a glittery eyeliner. Which I don't wear glittery eyeliner, but I don't know if you can see right there the dimension it gives. Okay. Now, to make liquid pearls or pearl drops, this is also puffy paint, which also works, but I can't show you how to make that. But you're going to take glue and you're going to take mica powder. If you don't have mica powder, eyeshadow works just the same because most of your eyeshadows have mica in it. Because that's what most of them are made out of. Now I'm just gonna, I didn't have a green liquid pearl, so I'm gonna make my own. Now these may not be as dimensional, but you can still draw with them and stuff. Now I've had these mica powders forever. These are from Arteza, and you get 60 of them. I've had them for years and haven't went through them yet. Okay. Shouldn't require a whole lot here. I think I might add a little bit more glue to that. Because I got one squeezy bottle left that I was going to put it in. Okay. add just a tiny bit more. Well, that may have been more than what I wanted to add. It's alright. Excuse me. It won't hurt anything. But again, you can do the same thing with white Elmer's glue. I just happen to have the clear. Now, Stickles and liquid pearls don't really cost a whole lot. They're, you know, $2, $3 a bottle. But if you're impatient like I am and you want it like now instead of having to wait for shipping and you already have the stuff to make it, you might as well put that to use and make it. Now that's apparently going to take forever. Come on. To fill up the bottle. It's definitely not a fast process. Okay, let's see if I can do a better job just pouring it in here. Probably not, but now this only made a small amount for this size bottle, but that's okay. I could add more later on if I wanted to. I'm just showing you how to do it. So let me clean up my mess here. Get this squashed down, or down. So that is what that looks like. And as a comparison to liquid pearls. They look almost identical. But that is just a few ideas in case you wanted to make your own liquid pearls. Or which Nuvo Drops are the same thing. And it doesn't have to have like metallic in it, it can be solid. Because some of the pearl drops are solid colored. They make mica that doesn't have glitter and stuff in it. But yeah, I basically wanted to use this more like the Wink of Stella pens, just enough to give it a little sparkle, and I didn't happen to have any glitter glue. So, that's just a quick video to show you guys that, and then when we come back, I'm going to work on this little book. I want to make it an ephemera holder here, and I got this little piece to glue on the inside here to make it a binder style ephemera holder. Alright, so that is it for me, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys back here again really soon. Bye.